Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss top 20 questions on Indian polity and constitution. So let's get started. Number 1. Though the Indian constitution is federal, it prescribes dash citizenship. First dual, second double, third multiple, or fourth single. So the answer is single. Next, the details regarding acquisition and termination of Indian citizenship are enumerated in the number 1 Indian Citizenship Act 1955, second the Constitution of India, third Indian Citizenship Act 1950, fourth Acquisition and Termination of Citizenship Act 1955. So the answer is Indian Citizenship Act 1955. Next, the period which a person has to reside in India before he or she qualifies to acquire citizenship by registration is 12 years, 10 years, 11 years, or 5 years. So the answer is 5 years. Next, Constitutional Advisor to the Constitution Assembly was C.F. Andrews, Dr. Sachinanda Sinha, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, or Sir B.N. Rao. So the answer is Sir B.N. Rao. Next, according to the Constitution, official language under Article 343 prescribes number 1 any form of Hindi script, second English, third Urdu, or fourth Hindi in Devanagari script with international form of Indian numerals. So the answer is fourth one, Hindi in Devanagari script with international form of Indian numerals. Next, who headed the Fundamental Rights Committee of the Constituent Assembly? Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Sardar Patel, Mahatma Gandhi, or Pandit Nehru? So the answer is Sardar Patel. Next, presently how many categories of fundamental rights are prescribed in the Constitution? Number 1 5, second 6, number third 7, or number 4 9. So the answer is 6. Next, which one of the fundamental rights has been repealed or deleted by the 44th Amendment Act 1978? Right to freedom, right to life, right to property, or right against exploitation? So the answer is right to property. Next, fundamental duties were added by 42nd Amendment, 1st Amendment, 52nd Amendment, or 12th Amendment? So the answer is 42nd Amendment. Next, fundamental duties were incorporated in the Constitution to first prevent misuse of fundamental rights, second to curb subversive and unconstitutional activities, third to make directives more meaningful, or fourth to make rights more meaningful? So the answer is to make rights more meaningful. Next, which right is the soul of the Constitution according to Dr. B.R. Ambedkar? Number 1 right to freedom, second right to life, third right to constitutional remedies, or fourth none of the above? So the answer is right to constitutional remedies. Next, fundamental rights are number 1 enforceable, number 2 non-enforceable, number 3 both 1 and 2 are correct, or number 4 none of the above? So the answer is fundamental rights are enforceable. Next, which of the two are superior fundamental rights or directive principles? Number 1 fundamental rights, number 2 both are complementary to each other, number 3 directive principles, or number 4 none of the above? So the answer is both are complementary to each other. Next, main objective of directive principles are to achieve goal of welfare state, to achieve goal of totalitarian state, to achieve goal of Marxist state, or none of the above? So the answer is to achieve goal of welfare state. Next, which of the following article provides right to constitutional remedies? Number 1, Article 19. Number 2, Article 20. Number 3, Article 32. Or number 4, Article 31. So the answer is Article 32, which provides the right to constitutional remedies. Next, fundamental duties lie in part dash of Constitution. Number 1, first. Number 2, second. Number 3, fourth. Or number 4, fourth A. So the answer is fourth A part. Next, right to have work is embodied as number 1, a fundamental right. Number 2, a moral right. Number 3, a directive principle. Or number 4, none of the above. So the answer is fourth, which is none of the above. Next, which one of them is not a fundamental duty? Number 1, to give respect to Prime Minister. Number 2, to uphold sovereignty of the country. Number 3, to preserve and protect our culture. Or number 4, to develop scientific temper. So the answer is first, to give respect to Prime Minister. Next, which directive principles was added by 42nd Amendment? Number 1, right to equal opportunity for justice and free legal aid. Number 2, humane conditions of work. Number 3, village panchayats. Or number 4, to protect places of historic and artistic importance. So the answer is right to equal opportunity for justice and free legal aid. Next, the position of President of India is analogous to number 1, American President. Number 2, English Queen. Number 3, Canadian President. Or number 4, none of the above. So the answer is English Queen. So thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe the channel.